an A major bar chord. That means that we're going to have the first finger at the 5th fret. 1, 2. 1, 2, A major, go now. 2, 3, shake it out if you need to. 2, it's a beautiful A major chord. That's A major. 2, 3, 4, the A major. 2, shake it if you need to, or lift up off the strings to relieve the pressure for now. That's okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, A major. All the strings ring out. And sometimes if they don't, well, that's refinement. We can refine this. That's okay. 1. You see how those 4s are automatic? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Strumming all 6 strings now. 1, 2. If you are comfortable and you would like to do half notes, quarters, you may. 2, 3. I'll do half notes. Half notes. Whoops. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. See how I mute the strings? By letting up, by relieving that pressure, I let up off the strings.